Welcome to SEMA. Here at the Legend booth. As you can see here, this is our brand new pickup bed floor that we have introduced into the Legend product lineup.
BedBoss is going to be world's first structural truck floor. Think of it as a upgrade to a bed liner.
So with this floor, the mount's going to be into the make and model of the vehicle. So with our track system, it is going to sit into the actual grooves of the truck, so giving you a rigid surface across the top. So we're actually adding additional tie-down points at the front and the rear of the vehicle.
Think of that as an upgrade. It's going to give you unlimited tie-downs. It's going to give you full freedom for your cargo. You can strap it down wherever you want.
So you can drill to the pickup bed truck. So as you see on the floor here,
this is a 1/4 inch top rail. And what that allows us to do then is to tap this material out, and then you can have your threaded insert anywhere within this substructure.
Structural floor that is thick enough, strong enough, and able to actually take whatever you want to drill into it.
We're showing a 75-gallon weather guard L tank. And what it is it's actually bolted straight to our floor, not through the truck bed.
So with this, we've actually got a cooler mounted down to the truck.
Because of this floor and because of this system, you're able to not drill holes. So if you are taking the equipment out, you get the higher value with the truck, or you can keep the equipment on it and put it into the next vehicle.
And then this is going to be the mounting points to the factory D-rings itself.
So whether you want to tap and die something, whether you want to strap it down, whether you want to drill right into our floor, you never have to drill a hole in your precious truck bed ever again, because we take that hit for you.
So whether you're mounting a bike, a cooler, a deer, whatever it is, you can put it into the back of the truck and just protect your vehicle while we've got it.
Legend has been in work van world for almost 20 years. We do interior protection products, so insulated wall liners, protective wall liners, rigid floors, high security locks, steps, etc. for work cargo vans. So think delivery vans, plumber vans, etc. And we're now taking that same OEM quality and bringing it into the truck world.